36 District Court is back in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no walking around, sleeping, talking, reading, smoking, driving, or eating. When your name is called, please unmute your device if muted and give your full and undivided attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
All right, good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, everyone. When I call your name, please let the attorney say their name first, and then you can say your name. DeWanna Davenport out here? Did DeWanna Davenport check in?
DeWanna? No.
Oh. Sergeant Carson, DeWanna Davenport hasn't checked in, so I don't know if you wanted to wait a little longer or.
Yeah, I didn't. Who was on Davenport? I didn't.
Sergeant Carson. I don't know if you want to wait or if you wanted us to just go ahead and KPS him.
He said adjourned.
I'll make an argument for a new date.
Did he already plead on it?
No, except for a trial.
Juan or Valentino?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one.
DeWanna Davenport except for a trial.
Juan Davenport. I got a set for you at middle name Valentino. Well.
Oh, yeah, he's set. Oh, I see what you're saying. He's set for a review and he's set for a trial. He's set for trial and he's set for review.
Okay. That's
And he hasn't shown up. Okay, well, let me do these and then see where he is. All right, this is the People versus Monique Reynolds, ticket number Z80A1131. We're here for a probation review on operating while visibly impaired. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Coleman Potts 7607 on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Potts, the court is in receipt of a motion for discharge from probation. Are you moving that? It looks like she has completed all terms of all her probationary requirements. So are you moving that she be discharged from probation?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. The court will grant that motion. You are discharged, Ms. Reynolds. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And then this is the People versus Barbara Dillon, ticket number B129022. Count one, failed to vaccinate dogs after rabies or by proof of vaccination against rabies. Ticket number B12901, failed to dog from engaging in nuisance menacing behavior. And ticket number B129020, count one, harboring an unlicensed dog. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
For the record, again, Your Honor, Coleman Potts on behalf of Ms. Dillon. Ms. Dillon, please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Barbara Dillon.
All right, Ms. Dillon is participating in the street court program, and I was told she needs a date for the week of June 26th. So we are going to set this matter for June 28th at 8:35.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. All right, did you get that date?
Yes, I wrote it down. June 28th, 8:25.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, Patty, and I hope everything is all right. Like I said, I've been in the midst of trying to move. I'm having a problem with the landlord over there too. He got my money, won't release my property. Just locked up in his house, and he changed the locks on me, so I'm going through a lot.
All right. Well, good luck with that. Okay, give me one moment, everyone. Okay, this is the People versus Marvin Rushing, ticket number SP 1417384. count one, open alcohol in a motor vehicle driver, and that's it. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Morning, Your Honor, for the record, Coleman Potts on behalf of Mr. Rushing. Mr. Rushing, please state your name for the record, sir.
Marvin Rushing.
Your Honor, today's date time set for show cause in this matter. We'd like to set this matter for a bench trial. After speaking to Mr. Rushing, it is my understanding that he also has another court date for May 9th for some other matters. If it was possible to set everything on that same date, so we can resolve everything at the same time.
Yeah, sure. Well, what's that? Let me just. We'll set it. Let me make sure he's correct with his date. So he only has one matter that's pending. Everything else looks like it's closed out. What's your middle name? Rel?
Yes, Durrell.
See anything? Wait a minute. See anything else? Tuesday. Yeah, I don't see anything else open.
Okay, yeah, he was telling me he thought he missed a court date and that they gave him another date of May 9th or something.
No, I don't see anything else. So, all right, raise your right hand, Mr. Rushing.
Okay.
Yes,
Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes. Yes, Your
Hand
Honor.
down. You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Mhm.
Is that a yes?
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set this matter for May 3rd at 9 o'clock. I don't see any, this is your only open matter, sir. I don't see anything else. Everything else is closed out.
Oh, the other one, I have paid the $130 for the other fine they gave me.
Yeah, it looks like whatever, you don't owe any other money. This is the only ticket you have open.
Okay, all right.
Okay, so I'll see
Thanks.
you May
Thank you,
3rd.
Your Honor.
Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor. Appreciate it.
you're welcome, sir. I'll see you May 3rd. Good
Mr.
luck.
Russell, turn on your video. Mr. Russell, turn on your video.
Okay.
This is the People versus Kara Davis, ticket number B1247282. Count 2, failure to correct code violation in a timely, I'm sorry, ticket number B1247282. Count 1, failure to correct code violation in a timely manner, and ticket number B124729222. Count 1, inspection required / inspection fees. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Coleman Potts on behalf of Ms. Davis. Ms. Davis, please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Cara Davis.
Your Honor, today's date and time set for arraignment on the bench warrant. For the purposes of arraignment, we'll wait before I'm reading, stand mute, and enter a not guilty plea. And we'd like to set this matter for a bench trial, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Davis. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
You can put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea, set this matter for a bench trial, May 3rd at 9 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, so you're all set, ma'am, unless you have a question.
Thank you.
This is the People versus Johnny Russell, ticket number SP1420997, count 1, improper place, count 2, no insurance misdemeanor, and count 3, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
For the record, Your Honor, Coleman Potts on behalf of Mr. Russell. Mr. Russell, please state your name for the record, sir.
Johnny Russell.
Your Honor, today date time set for a show cause. If the court was willing to allow Mr. Russell to plead to failure to display, with the understanding that the other matters would be dismissed, he would be able to enter the plea.
Okay, raise your right hand. Mr. Russell, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Put your hand down. You had an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Cox, in private about your case and your rights.
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
no,
You're pleading of your own free will.
yes,
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty. I didn't hear you, sir.
yes,
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
yes,
Knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
yes,
I'm going to direct your attention to January 8th, 2023 at 9:28 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near East McNichols and John R. in the city of Detroit?
yes,
Were you driving a 2011 Ford vehicle?
yes,
Were you driving while your license was suspended? Are you satisfied, Mr. Potts?
That's right, Your Honor.
Because also satisfied factual basis will amend the count fail to display. You stipulate the proper cause as the counts 1 and 2 to be dismissed.
So stipulate, Your Honor.
They're dismissed without prejudice. Will proceed to sentencing. There's a $200 fine, Mr. Russell. Can you have that fine paid by May 19th?
yes,
Any questions, sir?
no. You said May 19th, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, okay. I don't have no question.
Okay, you're all set, sir. Good luck.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. This is the people versus Tammy Rutledge, ticket number SP 1413829. Supply false information and or ID to police officer. Good morning. Please say your name to the record.
For the record, Your Honor, Coleman Potts on behalf of Ms. Rutledge. Ms. Rutledge, please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Tammy Rutledge.
Your Honor, today's date and time set for a show cause in this matter. We'd like to set this matter for a bench trial.
Raise your right hand, Ms. Rutledge. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
All right, so the court is going to continue your not guilty plea. Set this matter for a bench trial on May 3rd at 9 o'clock.
Your Honor, can I just ask for something later? I start nursing school May 1st, and I hate to miss the first week of school.
What she said today?
She's not May 1st.
You married Friday.
You said Friday.
No.
Oh.
It's set for a trial date. Yeah.
April, like next week.
They'll get the notice.
April 28th
If not, then.
at 9 o'clock.
I'll be in orientation.
Okay. May.
May 17th at 9 o'clock.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Good luck.